I don't know if you're a game buff or not, but if you are, the Pinball Museum, that is the interactive Pinball Museum in Warsaw, is a place you have to go. It's right in the center, so you'll have little trouble finding it. Here you'll find a whole history of pinball machines, many of which have been lovingly restored. Not only that, you'll find all the games from the 1980s and before that you really loved, like Space Invaders, for example, or Pong. This really is an interactive history of games. And the beauty of it is you can do it in a room with a lot of other people, your friends or even strangers. You don't have to sit at home all alone. It's 40 zlotys for up to 9 fun-packed hours. So come one, come all to the Warsaw Interactive Pinball Arcade. I'm Will Richardson, and this is Poland Daily Travel. Sometimes we really do have a lot of fun, and this is definitely one of those times. And if you like shooting ghouls, then this place is really going to make your day, punks. Oh, hello everybody, and welcome to the next edition of Poland Daily Travel. I'm here at the Pinball Museum in Warsaw, and not only pinball, there are lots of other great games, like you could kill a lot of aliens here. I don't know about you, but I'm not a big fan of aliens. I don't know any aliens, but I might be if I knew some. At any rate, this here is Pavel Novak, who is a co-owner of this here establishment, this fine emporium, we could call it. It's an amazing place. Look at it. Look at the lights. They're going every kid's dream, every guy's dream, and even ladies can learn something about pinball. This is Miriam Shadet. She's with us for the Pinball Museum. She begged me. I said, Miriam, not now, not now. And she begged me to come to the Pinball Museum. And I said, finally, after the 100th phone call, actually, I think it was only 99, I said I would bring her to the Pinball Museum. Are you happy now?
Yes, I am.
You see? You, see?
You wish I called you 99 times,
it's
but yeah.
all true. I wish you would call me 99 times.
But I'm here.
That would be very nice. And Pavel, how long would it take, using your extreme skills, because not only do you manage this place, own this place, but you also fix the machines, so you're a man of many talents. How long would it take to teach this lady from zero to hero?
If we start today,
to be a pinball champion.
We start today,
yeah.
2, maybe 3 years.
2 or 3 years.
But 5 days per week and 8 hours per day.
8 hours per day?
5 days per week and about 2, maybe 3 years.
And how much is it going to cost to hire you to do that?
Oh, I'm very expensive.
It's going to be a lot.
But you will be the champion.
Okay.
World champion.
My dream, to be the champion now.
Pinball champion.
When I called your place the other day, it was really funny because when I called the place the other day, I talked to your partner, Joanna, who's a nice lady, on the phone. And she answered the phone, she goes, excuse me, but I'm in labor. And I thought, what? She's having she was actually in labor, right? Because she has a baby now. And,
but she answered the phone.
Yesterday.
Also.
Yesterday.
She had a baby yesterday.
One pinball player more.
Yeah, one more pinball wizard. She has to call him Tommy. She should call him Tommy, right?
Yeah, something like this.
Yeah, it would be good. Tomasz. But
it's Adam.
His name is Adam? His name is Adam. Good.
But he will be the best pinball player in Poland. I will teach him.
I bet, with this atmosphere.
He will start he will be like this and he will start.
So maybe you can start with the baby.
Yeah.
You can start learning and we'll see who's better.
Yeah.
Adults or babies? You're almost an adult, let's face it. What are you, 19?
It would be hard.
19 and a half, right?
Yeah, you can. Yeah,
19 and a half.
always.
You'll be an adult when you're 20.
A bit over 18.
And that'll be another 10 years. It'll be nice. Now, the thing is that when I look around and I see all these machines, and I think about all the time and and expense that's gone into creating this. I asked myself, why?
I love play pinballs. I love it.
That's it. You're an aficionado.
Yes.
Yeah, you're an
I
expert.
started playing pinballs in early 90s. I started when I had 15 years, 14 years. I started playing really. I started playing a lot. Every day, few hours of playing. I couldn't find new pinball machines in bars, pubs, because in the middle of 90s, all of those pinballs gone. No business. No more money from this, and nobody wants to do business with pinball.
Because it was popular here and before in Poland,
Everywhere
right?
in Poland, in whole
Just
Europe,
like everyone
whole
else,
world. Yes,
just
yes,
like
yes,
in the
yes,
United
yes.
States.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
But in the middle of 90s,
Or Britain.
no more business with pinballs. Yeah? And I want to play more, and I need to buy pinball machine to play it. I started buying because I couldn't find anywhere to put coin inside. I need to buy one to home and play.
So you bought one, and then you bought
And
the
you had
next
all
one.
the space to put them in there?
I have
Have a big
about
house.
100 pinball machines in my warehouse, and about 100 of arcade games.
Yeah,
We have
and
here
how
about
much
70.
here? About 70 here.
70 pinball and arcade games.
Yeah. I have an idea.
Yeah.
Let's put our money where our mouth was, and let's see.
Yeah.
Stay with us, because we're going to do an experiment. We're going to see if Miriam can learn how to play pinball with one of the best experts in Europe standing right here in front of me.
I'm gonna lose. I know I'm gonna lose.
No, Pavel says no. Stay with us. We'll see how good Pavel
I'm
is
just
and how good
copies.
Miriam
I'm
is
just
as a student.
copies. I'm
What?
just copies.
He's shouting me down. Okay, we'll be right back.
Every time when you press start button, you set number of players. If you want to play alone, just press start button one time. Press
Okay, so one time.
Yeah. And look here. Now, those 2 zeros, it means one player. And now it's just you and pinball machine. If you press start button second time, you will set second player. Third time, you will set third player. And fourth time, fourth player. Yeah? But you want to play alone, yes?
Yeah,
Okay.
I wanna be
Now
single.
you have walking
Playing.
flippers, yeah?
Yeah.
They are walking. Shoot the ball. Take hands on flippers, and wait for a ball. Yeah, shoot. All right. But look now, wait. You see flashing too. Yeah? Flash it too. Press it. Yeah, no, here, look.
Okay. Yeah.
You change the gates. Now, when you shoot the ball, choose the gate without light. Then you will light it. Shoot. Okay, you see? 1, 2. Good. Wait for a ball and shoot in direct time, yes. Okay, very good. Very good.
Pressing the buttons.
Yeah. Again. 1, 2, 3, yeah.
Okay, which
Try
I
to
need
shoot, yeah?
Okay,
But
so
see? If the ball will hit, be fast. Be fast with this. Come on. And game over. That's it, yeah?
Hey. So what's the objective here? You had a good start. What's the objective in pinball? I mean, why are you playing pinball?
Because they are very hard to learn.
Yeah.
It's a very tough game.
It's a tough game.
Yeah,
What-
very tough game.
What is the skill that's really needed to make it work, Pavel? That you're
You
trying
need
to
to
get-
know
teach
everything. You need to know everything about where the best points are. When you shoot here, what you will get for it, and where you need to shoot more and more to get more points.
Right.
Then you need to know how to use flippers in direct time.
And the
Because
right time to flip it in the
everybody-
right
yes,
way.
Everybody thinks that flippers are going only up and down, and it's impossible to shoot anything. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
No. If you are a good pinball player and you start learning how to use them, you can catch the ball.
Mm-hmm.
You can catch it. And when
And
you
catch
catch the
it with the
ball,
flipper?
yes, with the flipper,
And then you can
catch
direct it,
Yes, and you can direct the
Okay.
place you want.
What do you think about Miriam's her start on this? Was she,
It was
No,
first
you don't
time
need to
easy.
what do you give?
Whole shake.
0 to
She's
zero on a scale of 0 to 10?
We will try, I think.
She's gonna have another go.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we'll have another go. All right.
Maybe you can show and show us how to play it properly.
Just start playing. With pinballs like this, just start.
You just
You
start.
know, it's,
You have to develop a touch for the
no
game,
matters that you have 10 years old, you are 20, 50, 100.
Yeah.
If you have eyes and working fingers, you can play pinball.
Have you had any 100-year-olds in here?
I think I had.
A couple, yeah.
I think I had.
You think it's good therapy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think yes.
Stay with us. Poland Daily Travel with Pavel Novak and Miriam Shadad and me, Will.